You have a Volkswagen, a Kessy system, and the battery in your keys is dead. How to start your car? Okay, so for that example, I have removed the battery from my key. So it's really dead. Now you want to press start, as usual, and the car says there is no key. So put your key just right there. You have to be really quick. So you press start, and it starts. Now you start it as usual. You pull the brake and start. Engine is running. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya!